Hello everyone. So now it is activity time. Okay, are you ready? Yes. तो आज जैसे हमने डिस्कस किया था, so in our activity we are going to do few things. But first let us see what is the topic of our activity. It is W W J D. What does it mean? It means what would Jesus डू. ओके, तो हम ये क्राफ्ट को इसलिए बना रहे हैं ताकि हमें याद रहे कि हो सकता है आपको गुस्सा चढ़ रहा हो, तो तभी आपने ये सोचना है WWJD मीन्स व्हाट वुड जीसस डू. अगर जीसस मेरे जगह होते तो वो क्या करते, राइट? अगर हम कोई गंदी बातें करने वाले हों और अगर हमको ये दिख जाए WWJD, हमने ये सोचना है कि अगर जीसस मेरे जगह होते, what would Jesus do? Okay, so now let us start with our activity. So for the activity we will need markers, scissors, some ribbon, and if you have some stickers. Okay, you also can keep a stapler handy with you. Okay children, now let's begin with our first one. So you can make a wall hanging. I have used an old CD and on that I have written what would Jesus do. So I have used some stickers that I have with me and एक रिबन ले या फिर जो भी आपके पास मटेरियल है जिससे एक एंड में एक हुक बनाएं और इसको हम क्या कर सकते हैं, एक वॉल हैंगिंग की तरह डाल सकते हैं. और जब भी ये हिलता रहे और जब भी आप कमरे में अंदर बाहर आ रहे हैं, you what will you see, what would Jesus do. So we can make a wall hanging like this. Okay, using CD, only CDs which are not of any use in your house. Ask mama and papa first and then you can make this wall hanging using a old or which is not required CD. Okay, now let's make a bookmark or a Bible bookmark. Just take a sheet of paper, cut it into a rectangle. Okay, and it's very easy, anybody can do. Write W W J and D and at the end you can write what would Jesus do. So you can take a piece of ribbon or anything that you have handy with you and we can make a loop here like this. Okay, so take it to the back in this way and you can use your stapler. You can always take the help of your parents. Yes, and now if you want you can decorate, but this is like a bookmark and you can keep it always with you in your book, you can keep it in your Bible and this will remind you WWJD, what would Jesus do. Okay, अब हम बनाएंगे the WWJD तोरण. तोरण क्या होता है, जब आपका बर्थडे या कुछ होता है तो आप क्या करते हो, आप वो हैप्पी बर्थडे लड़ी ऐसे डालते हो ना. So we will make one laddi like this. So you can just take some paper and there is no need for you to cut. I've just cut because I have some shape scissors and so I did it. It's up to you, whatever mama papa tell you and whatever is available at home. Okay, there is no need for you to go and buy new things. Whatever is available at home, use it. So we will do first thing is you can take this 4 sheets you have to make, 1 2 3 4. Okay, and then we can write on that. So first we will write a big W. Okay, and this would say what, and I'll just highlight the W also with another marker. Okay, so now just like that, what we have to make, we will make four words. What would Jesus do? Okay, so what you can do after this, if you have ribbon, you can use ribbon, or you can use any other material, and the only thing that we have to do is keep the ribbon and staple it like this, just like how you have a happy birthday laddi at home or merry Christmas laddi at home. You can use that and do this, right? And this becomes our wall hanging or a toran or a laddi. Okay, so this is also nice. You can put it in your sitting room, you can put it near your bed, and this will help you to remember that in my situation, what would Jesus do? Okay, children. And now last, I have one more small, very easy activity, and that is, you can take a card of any color, same paper again. So nowadays it's very hot, so you always rush to the fridge to take something cool. So we are going to make a fridge magnet. So simple. I'll take my marker again. WWJD. What is the meaning of WWJD? अब तक तो आपको पता होना चाहिए, right? What would Jesus do? Simple. So I can just take a pen and I will write, what would Jesus do? Question mark. So if you have stickers with you, you can use your stickers just to make it look beautiful. Either you make it this way, or you can do another way. First stick a sticker first, and around it you can write, what would Jesus do? Simple. And even if you don't have stickers, you can draw. It is not important that you stick, it is important that you write and remember. What are the four letters that we have to remember? That is WWJD. So we will write it here, WWJD. Okay, children. So remember and know, and always keep in mind, what would Jesus do if he was in my place, right? This day we learned to do our quiet time, and Jesus always did that. So you must do your quiet time, and this is always good. You can keep it in a place where it is easily where you can easily see it and notice it in your house. Okay, children. So today we have made many things. One is the toran, right? The toran, and then we have fridge magnet, then we have this Bible bookmark, and also we have the wall hanging that we made just now. So you can choose any one of these, make it and put it in a place which is easily visible to you. WWJD. Thank you. Have a great day.